y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'll be doing a clean with me, but also a pack with me, because in this video, you're going to see that I sold my master bedroom furniture, and so I'm getting that all squared away so the people can come and take it off.
I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe.
So I wanted to start off with taking off all the comforter and the sheets on my bed, and the reason why I'm taking off the sheets is because I'm washing them before I put them back on, so that's the reason why. Otherwise I would have just left them on because I was going to put the mattress right back. And also, if you're still here and you're new, please don't forget to push that subscribe button. I really enjoy to have you be part of my YouTube family and to see more of my content.
I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice.
So I wanted to remind you guys of my Instagram. It is the Life of Courtney 19. So go ahead and just follow me on there as well, because I try to post in my stories every day or every other day. And last week, one of the things that I posted was for you to post or comment emojis onto my comments, and then I had to try to guess the Disney movie. And I had so much fun just trying to guess those movies. So make sure you're following me on Instagram.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high.
Okay, to be honest, I really thought under this bed was going to be way worse than what it was, because that's where Cooper loved to stay when he wasn't like in the bed with me. He would always just be up under my bed. So I thought it was going to be like all kinds of stuff up under there, but to my surprise, it was not that bad. I mean, it's bad, but it's not that bad.
Let's figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say
so if you're wondering why I have this vacuum, I actually got this one from my classroom because my Dyson just completely died on me. Like, it won't even come on. So I'm trying to figure out if I can get somebody to fix it. If not, I guess I just have to buy a new one. But I really don't want to have to buy a brand new one, and honestly I don't know if I'll buy a Dyson, because if you watch my videos for a long time, you know that Dyson was given to me by one of my roommates, and so I just don't know if I would get another Dyson. I've heard really good things about the Shark, so I'm just gonna keep my eyes out on a good vacuum cleaner. So let me know down in the comments if you have a vacuum cleaner that you just absolutely love.
Yeah. Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see everybody else's dream, what a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free.
So the next thing I'm doing right now is trying to get this TV off of the TV stand and get all of this cleaned up, because like I said, I sold this furniture and they're taking everything. So it was a 5-piece furniture. It was the bed, framing, the 2 nightstands, the TV stand, and the dresser. So they got a real good deal for how much they paid for it. I'm not going to say how much I sold it for, but they did get a good deal on it. But I wanted to get it all nice and clean for them. And also, I just want to say that I have this music playing because if you know me, you know how much I love this song.
Yeah, it's not that big a deal when I think about it now. We should never be afraid to believe in it somehow. 'Cause we're only human after all. Nothing can make us fall apart. Whoa. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. Hear me when I say I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human after all. At the end of the day, we're only human. We're only human after all.
Okay, so confession, I did not want to talk during that song because, like I said, I love that song so much and I wanted you to be able to hear it all the way through. But right now, I am showing you the before, and this is with the furniture after I got it all cleaned and ready to go. This is what it looks like in my master bedroom. And then the next clip that you see will be of everything gone. I did not record them taking down the bed because I didn't feel comfortable asking them if I could record. I thought that would be kind of awkward and weird, so I didn't do that. But this is the after.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't we stay
So as you can tell, I have not been dusting because that furniture is so heavy that I could not move it by myself. And I don't think I've ever moved the furniture to dust behind there. So this will be the first time that this floor and these like side trimming get dusted and clean. So stay tuned for these vacuum lines. They are perfect and so relaxing. So I hope you enjoy these clips.
When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Can we stay forever?
I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
So the next thing I needed to get done was put this mattress back down, get my bed made up, because I was going to be staying here for another, I think a week. I think I stayed there for another week. And so I needed to get the mattress down, put my TV back up, and just get all that situated. So as you can tell, there's like a mark on the wall, like it looked like something spilled over, and honestly I think it was like a glass of water or something that happened a while back, and I thought I cleaned it up, but obviously it did not come up because it's still there and it sticks out like a sore thumb. So when I had my furniture there, you never could see it, but now you can definitely see it. So I didn't know what to do, so I just kind of left it there.
I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little
So I had to sleep on the floor for the past week, and I thought it was fine, and I can tell you that Cooper, he really enjoyed that, because one day, I will tell y'all this story. One day I forgot to close the bathroom door and close the door to my bedroom before going to work. And I came home and Cooper like met me at the door, and I was freaked out because I thought someone had like gotten in the house or something. And then I realized that I forgot to do what I was supposed to. And I'm pretty sure he was probably laying on the bed, like just, you know, living his best life or whatever. But during the night, he likes to get up to go get water. And so he was able to do that with ease this time and not having me to like help him down or anything. And then he would just get back in the bed like normal. So he definitely enjoyed having that bed on the ground.
You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like
So thank you so much for tuning in to my video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did creating this video for you guys. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider pushing that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And also go to your Instagram and follow me, and it's The Life of Courtney 19. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.